Semester 4 exam review, grade 3 English. Now let's start with part A. Celine, read the question for us.
Read the
Unicorns.
unicorns of the sea. Then answer the questions that follow.
What's the title?
Unicorn of the sea. Whales inhabit or live in the ocean.
Okay, read from the beginning, Celine.
Part A.
No, just from the title. Start with the title.
Unicorn of the sea. Whales inhabit or live in the ocean. All whales are mammals, but only one whale has a long
Tusk.
tusk. This whale is the
Narwhal.
narwhal. It is called the unicorn of the sea.
Very good. Continue reading, Yara. You can read from the board if you want.
The narwhal's tusk is fascinating. Scientists want to learn more about it. The narwhal has teeth, but unlike other toothed whales, its teeth are not inside its mouth. The male grows a tooth straight from its jaw. This is its tusk. Female narwhals usually do not grow a tusk.
Very good. Now let's continue reading the passage. Continue, Leia.
All whales are mammals that live in the water. They all breathe air, but only the unicorn of the sea has a
Tusk.
tusk.
Now, there is a diagram here. Can you explain to us the diagram, Leia?
Yes, blue whale, blue hole.
Wait, this is a picture of a what?
Blue whale.
And the other one? This is a what? A narwhal.
Normal.
Okay, what does a blue whale have?
Blue hole.
Blowhole.
Blue hole. Fin.
Yes.
Tail. Fin.
Okay. What about a narwhal?
Normal. Blue. Blue hole. Tail.
Blowhole, tail,
Blue hole. Tail. Fin.
and tusk.
Tusk.
Okay. So here it's showing us what a blue whale has and what a narwhal has. Very good there. Question 1. Write the correct answers on the space provided. Base your answers on unicorns of the sea. So any question here will get the answers from the passage that we just read. First question, read it, Lamis.
Question
A. Underline.
Underline the word that means almost the same as
Inhabit.
inhabit.
Okay, so where is the word inhabit in the text? The passage? Okay, which word means almost the same as inhabit? No? Yes, Yara?
Inhabit
Yes.
or live in the ocean.
Okay, so inhabit means
Live in the ocean.
live. Live. It can be anywhere else, okay? So inhabit means live. So we underline the word live. Okay. Next question. Okay, Ali, read it.
What is the sentence that helps you figure out what
Fascinating.
fascinating means?
Okay, which sentence in the passage? Here's the word fascinating, okay? Now, which sentence means almost the same as fascinating? Or it helps you know what fascinating means? Okay. Ismail, you know the answer?
Yes. Scientists want to learn
Scientists want to learn. Continue the sentence.
more
More about
about
it. So the answer is scientists want to learn more about it. Okay. Next question, Alma.
How is the normal different from other ways?
How is it different? Can you explain to us?
Yes.
Yes.
The normal has teeth, but unlike the toothed whale, its teeth are not inside its mouth. The male grows a tooth.
So what does a narwhal? What is something that a narwhal has and other whales don't?
It has a tusk on its
A tusk. Okay, so the narwhal has a tusk. Okay, next question. Okay, do you read the question, Leia?
Look at the diagram. This is a part of a
Narwhal.
that are similar to the parts of a blue whale.
Okay, you already read the diagram before. Look at it again. What do they have in common? What are the similar things? They both have what?
Hole.
A blowhole. A blowhole. What else? What is something they both have?
Tail.
Tail. And what?
Fins.
And fins. Very good. Next question, Yara, read it.
What is the main idea of the passage?
What do you mean by main idea? The main idea is what the passage is talking about. Okay, we read a whole big passage. We should know what we are reading about, right? This is called the main idea. So what's the main idea, Yara?
To teach us the difference between the normal and the blue whale.
Okay, so we get to know the difference. It is the difference between or the differences between a narwhal and a blue whale. Okay. Very good. Question 2. Complete the sentences with using the words in the box. Now we have the words identical, created, solar system, reward, and talents. Okay. Read the first one, Sabine.
Neptune is the eighth planet of the solar system.
Neptune is the eighth planet of the solar system. Okay. Sabine, what's the meaning of solar system? The eight planets, and what else? They revolve around what? The sun. Very good. So the sun and the eight planets, those we call them the solar system. And it also includes what? Yes, very good. Okay, next question. Yeah, Celine. Okay, read it. Painting.
Painting is the one of hair and sun.
Which one?
Talent.
Talents. Very good. What's the meaning of talents, Celine?
Talent.
It means
When you love something and you love to make it.
yes, you love to make it, and it's also something that you are good at, naturally good at. Okay. Next one, Ali, read it. See.
The earth is a lot of beautiful pictures.
Yes, which word? Created. Yes, very good. What do you mean by created? When you create something, you make it. So created a lot of beautiful pictures means made a lot of beautiful pictures. Next one, D. Alma.
There is a for anyone who helps the police solve
This crime.
crime.
There's a what?
Reward.
A reward. Very good. What's the meaning of reward?
That means they give them a present or something.
Yes. It's like a prize or something that you get in return of your work or of something you do, something good you do. Okay? Last one. Smile. Yes, read it.
Tom has an twin brother and two people can tell them apart.
Okay. What's the answer?
Identical.
Identical. What's the meaning of identical, Smile? When two things are identical, that means what?
They are the same.
They are exactly the same. Okay? Question 3, read it, Lamis.
Write a sentence using the word fabulous.
Okay, what sentence do you have in mind?
The fireworks are fabulous.
Very good. The fireworks are fabulous or look fabulous. Good job, everyone. Question 4, read it, Ali.
Read each row of words. Circle the long A, E, I, O, or U word and write it on the line. Then underline the letters that spell the long A, E, I, O, or U sound.
Okay. So when we read each row of words, we're gonna circle the word that make which sound? A, when you hear A, or E, I, O, or U. So when you hear any of these sounds, you can circle the word. Okay, let's start with the first row of words. A, Ismail, you want to answer?
New act drum set.
New act drum set. Okay, which word?
Drum.
No. Rua? New. Okay. What sound do you hear in new? Long U. It's you hear U. Okay, so we circle it. We write it on the line. And we underline which letters? EW. Very good. Next one. Sabine, yes?
Snow jump.
Okay, which word?
Snow.
Snow. Very good. What sound do you hear in snow? Okay, what sound do you hear in snow?
Long sound.
Long O. You hear O. Snow. And you underline the letters? OW. Very good. Next one. Smiley, you want to try again? Okay.
Shop. Lol.
Sleigh.
Sleigh. Pen. Bat.
Which word?
Pen.
Where is the long letter? What do you hear in pen? Do you hear A or E?
Sleigh.
Sleigh. What do you hear in sleigh? Which letter? Sleigh. Sleigh. You hear the sound A. Okay. What letters are we going to underline?
E-I-G-H.
E-I-G-H. Very good. Those letters make the sound A. Next one. Yes, Islam. Read it for us.
Lamp. Black map. Sun.
Clam, blank, nap, sunny. Which word? Sunny, very good. What sound do you hear in sunny? Is it A or E or I or O or U? Sunny, E, very good. What letter are we supposed to underline?
Y.
Yes, very good. Y. Okay. Next one. Yes, Tia.
Sit, night, mop, met.
Okay, which letter?
Night.
Night. Very good. So we circle night. And we write it on the line. Now, which letters are we supposed to underline? I-G-H. Very good. And what sound do you hear in night? I. Very good. The next row F, read it, Ali.
Away, sun, tent, snake.
Away, sand, tent, snack. Which word has a long sound? Away. What sound do you hear in away? A. Okay, what letters are we supposed to underline? A-Y. Very good. Okay. Next one, Amjad.
Swim, flag, boat, mop.
Swim, flag, boat, mop. Which word has a long sound? Boat. Okay. So we circle boat, we write it on the line. What letters are we supposed to underline? O-A. Make which sound? O. Boat. Okay, last one, Rua.
Cat, stab, rhyme, teeth.
Read them again. Cat, stamp, trim, tie. Read them again.
Cat, stab, trim, teeth.
Tie.
Tie.
Okay. Which word has a long sound? Is it cat or stamp or trim? Or trim or tie?
Tie.
Tie. Very good. Okay, tie. So we circle the word tie. We write it on the line. What letters do we underline? I-E. They make which sound? Tie. I. Yes, they make the long I. Okay? Now, question 5. Islam, read question 5. Wait. Yes, start reading.
Circle the slant letter in each word.
Circle the silent letter in each word. What do we mean by silent letter? It means a letter that what? Yes? That we can't hear and we don't say. Yes. Okay. Read the first word. Thumb.
Thumb.
Okay. Now, in thumb, which letter is a silent letter? B. Very good, because we don't read it, and if someone read it, we can't hear it. Okay, so we circle B. Read again the word. It is thumb. Okay? Yes. Next word. Smile, read it.
Thumb.
No, the next word. We already finished thumb. Now we are in here. Which word? Read it. Castle. Okay, which word is a silent letter? Which letter, I mean, is silent? Castle. In the word castle, which letter is silent? T. Very good. So we circle T. Next one, Tia.
When.
When. Okay, where's the silent letter? H. Very good. So we circle H. Next one, Amjad, read it. Raise your voice. Not. Okay, where's the silent letter? Okay, very good. Good job, everyone. Part B, question 3. Complete each sentence with the noun in parentheses. You write the plural form of the noun. Number 1, my crayon are broken. Crayon, yes, Yara?
My crayons.
Crayons.
Add S.
Add S. There are puppy in the garden. Yes, Celine?
There are puppies. We
What?
fill the Y and add IES.
Okay, I clean the chimney. Yes.
I clean the chimneys. S. We add
We add S. Next one, Leia. I saw.
I saw
Two.
to at school.
Two bus or buses?
Puppies.
Buses. We add what? S or ES?
ES.
ES, okay. Next one, Yara.
Princesses don't like rats and mice.
Oh. Okay. The word is the same. What's the singular of mice?
Mouse.
Mouse, very good. Okay, next one. Yes, Tia?
Are brave wolves.
Wolves are? Wolf is singular. How do we change it plural, Yara?
Wolves. We remove the F and VES.
Very good. There are lots of goose. How do we change it to its plural form? Alma? Geese.
We add double T for double H.
Okay, we change the OO.
We have to eat a fish. We have to add ES. Fish. We make it fish.
We keep it the same. Excellent, yeah. Okay, it's an irregular plural noun. Excellent work. Good job, everyone. Question 2. Underline the present tense verb that agrees with the subject. First one, read it, Rua.
Mama and Dad tell us that they have a surprise.
For?
Tell.
Wait. Mom and Dad tell or tells us that they have a surprise for us. Now, before you answer, where's the subject in this sentence?
Mama and Dad.
Mom and Dad. This is our subject. Mom and Dad are plural or singular? Yes, plural. Very good. So we have a plural subject. Now, when we have a plural subject and we have the present tense verb, do we change anything about the verb? Do we add anything to it? No. So, we will choose tell or tells. Tell or tells? Tell. Very good. Tell. Because mom and dad, plural. Next one, Tia.
Dad drive for about an hour.
Okay, dad drive or drives. Where's the subject?
Dad.
Dad. That is singular or plural? So the subject is, we have a singular subject here. Now, when we have a singular subject, what do we do to the present tense verb? Yes, we usually add S or ES, right? So it is drives. We add only S. Next one, Ismail. He
carries a basket of books to her.
Okay, he is a singular subject, so we have to add S. Now, the word is originally carry, okay, and because he is a singular subject, we must add S or ES. Now, carry ends with
S.
Y. So, what's before the Y? Is it a vowel or a consonant?
For the Y?
It's a consonant. So, when before the Y we have a consonant, we cross the Y
And put
replace it with I and add es. Okay? So the correct spelling is carries, Carries. Okay? The last one. Yes, D. Sabine. Yes. Read D.
She teaches or teach how to share books.
Yes.
Teaches.
Teaches. Very good.
Because
We added, if you notice here, we added es, not s. Why didn't we write teaches like this? Why? Yes, because teach ends with ch. So if we have the verb ending with ch, sh, s, or x, we add es. Okay, very good. Question 3. Give the past tense form of each action verb in parentheses. Write the answer on the line. Okay, first one, read it, Alma.
the sky turned dark.
Okay, how are we going to change turn in its past tense form?
The sky turned dark.
Turned. What do we add?
Eating.
Very good. Next one, Amjad. Read it. Look at the board. Just look at the board.
We hurry
Hurry into a cave. Okay, how do we change hurry to its past tense form? What do we usually add to a verb in its past tense? What do we add to a verb to change it to its past tense? To a regular verb. Ed. Okay, usually in a past tense we add ed. Now, hurry, what does it end with? Y. Before the Y, look at the letter before the Y. Is it a consonant or a vowel? A consonant. So when we have a consonant, what do we do with the Y before adding ed? Cross it and put I. Then ed. So it will be hurried. Very good. Next question. Tia.
We wait for it to eat.
And. Wait, how do we change it to its past tense form?
Add ed.
Yes, it will be
Waited.
waited. Next one, Sabine.
The rain stopped at last.
Oh.
Stop. We put double T.
Yes. Why? Why do we double the final consonant? What's before? Very good. Question 4. Rewrite each sentence to tell about the future. Change the underlined verb to the future tense. Read the first one, Leah. I looked for that book at the library. How do we change this sentence to the future? Make it in the future.
Look.
We'll start with I. What do we put before the verb when we want to make it in the future? What do we write before it? Lamis, what do we write before it? Will. I will. I will what?
Look.
I will look, right? Because the verb is look. The ed was only there because it was in the past tense. So in the future, we do not change anything at all with the verb. We only add will before the verb. Okay? I will look for that book at the library. Next question, Leah, read it. The tree Sways.
The tree sways in the wind.
Okay, the tree sways in the wind. How do we make it in the future?
The tree will sways in the wind.
The tree will what?
Sway in the
Is it
wind.
sway or sways?
Sway.
Sway. Okay? Because we do not change anything about the verb. Here the S was for the present tense verb. The tree will sway in the wind. Next one. Islam. Read the next question. La, they.
They turned on the
Radio.
radio.
Okay, so how do we change this sentence to the future?
They will turn on the radio.
They will turn
In the
on the radio. Okay. Next one, Sabine.
He guards the entrance.
He guards the entrance. So how do we change this sentence to the future tense?
The entrance.
He will
Guard
guard. We didn't add S, correct? Guard the entrance. Very good, because this S is for the present tense and the ED is for the past. Okay, we have to keep the verb in its original form. Very good. Part C. Think about a special event you attended. Write a paragraph describing the event. Add details. A special event can be anything. It can be a time when you visited someone. It can be a trip you went to. It can be a science fair or anything that you did or a place you went to, something very special. But something that happened with you, okay? An experience that you've been through. Now, describe the event. What was it about? Where was it? What did you do? What happened? And add details. Okay. Now, I know you all have interesting things to say, but before you answer, Celine and Diara, I will show you an example of something that someone can write about, okay? Read it, Sabine. Read it from the board. Can you see it?
I stayed with my grandmother last weekend. She made me a sandwich with her homemade strawberry
Jam.
jam. The jam had lumps of strawberry in it. It smelled really
Smelled.
It smelled really good. The smell
Reminded me.
reminded me of summer when she put the sandwich in front of me. I took a bite. It tastes good.
Okay, now this is a very short paragraph. It can be a nice idea of an event, but if you're going to write something like this, we will add to it interesting details, okay? Do you have any ideas of how we can add to this paragraph interesting details? Raise your hands. Yes, what can we add to this paragraph? If you visited your grandmother, what can you add to it?
I visited my grandmother and we watched TV and ate.
Yes, what else can you add?
My grandmother is a really good cooker because her food that she makes
Very good cook, yes, because the food that she makes.
are really delicious.
Okay, very good. Alma, what can you add? Yes.
I went to my grandma and she stayed on TV till 12 o'clock in the morning, and then I slept.
Interesting. Okay, now Celine and Yara also have a paragraph already prepared for us, and they will read it. Okay, you can start.
We read about science fair.
About the science fair. Okay, very nice. Read it for us.
I love the science fair. There were different teams. My team was the solar energy. The people in that team were Celine, Laura, Lamis, and Ismail. The people came together and we made a solar oven for the science fair. We saw many kinds of robots and projects at the science fair.
Very good.
The projects of our friends are nice. They are hydropower, and wind energy. The people will vote and two wins will go to the stage and explain about their projects. And from grade 3, the winner was solar energy. That team also
That's
won.
your team, right?
Yes.
Okay.
From grade 1 and grade 2, I love science fair.
Okay, very nice. Very nice writing. Good job. Excellent work. Question 2. Draw a picture of the event. So, I will show you an example of a picture I got to what kind of thing you can draw. Then we'll see the picture that Celine and Diana prepared. So let's look at the picture. It is grandma preparing the strawberry jam, okay? What sentence can we write about it?
My grandma cooked for me.
Okay.
My grandma has delicious strawberry jam.
Okay, very good. Yes.
My grandma is a very good cooker.
Yes.
My grandma has a salad.
Okay. So my grandma. Okay. Has really or has yummy strawberry jam. Let's look for space to write it. Strawberry jam. Okay. Now let's look at Yara and Celine's drawing. Can you show it to us?
Yes.
Just look. Let's see the picture. Where is it? Science fair solar energy. And this is your team?
Yes.
Very nice. Okay. Now, what kind of sentence would you write about this drawing?
The team Solar Energy went on stage and explained about their project.
Very good. Good job.